Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to hide a page in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com website, and the best way to hide a page in Squarespace is to give it a password. To do that, first click on Login, then fill in your email address and password and hit Login again. From this page, click on this website button below your desired website. From this left side menu, click on Pages below Website. Then select the page you want to hide. For example, let's work on this appointments page. Then click on this little gear icon. Now scroll down to password and fill a password you like. After that, click on Save from this corner. To verify that your page is really hidden with a password, or you need to give this page a visit in the incognito mode in Google Chrome, for example. To do that, let's look for this page URL or slug. This is this page slug. Replace it here, just like that, and copy the full link and go to the incognito mode in your web browser. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. And this is how to hide a page in Squarespace. Now the search engines or web browsers can visit this page. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.